Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another day, another recipe. I am here to spice up your boring old potato recipes. So we'll start by peeling the potatoes. This by far is my family's favorite potato dish. Sometimes I throw in some string beans or some green peas, but today I'm going to keep it simple and let your protein dish like turkey or chicken, whatever you're pairing it up with, do the magic. So I cut the potatoes about 3 centimeters thick, and then we'll transfer them to a bowl. I have about five large potatoes here, and we'll go ahead and start adding the spices to it. I'm adding some olive oil, some salt, some crushed pepper, some oregano, parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, turmeric powder, and some smoked paprika for the smoky taste. Alright, and once you've added all the spices, it's time to do the dance. To mix all the spices in, you gotta do what you gotta do to mix them really, really well so they're all well coated. And once that's done, go ahead and add your favorite cheese. I have the taco mix here. That's what I'm gonna be using, but you can use mozzarella or any other cheese that you like. We'll go ahead and mix that in. And a friendly tip for you here, don't be me and use a small bowl. Use a bigger one so that you can mix everything easily and not make a mess. Alright, and we'll go ahead and start layering the baking dish. We'll do as many layers of cheese and potatoes as we need to, or we run out of the potatoes. And you know what they say about cheese? There's never enough cheese, or there's no such thing as too much cheese. So go ahead and use as much cheese as you want and make it really cheesy. I'm going to be cheesing it up and putting a lot. My kids absolutely love extra cheese. And I'll be using mozzarella to layer, just because it gives it that creamy and extra cheesy taste. Also, I'll use mozzarella, but you can use whichever cheese that you'd like. You can replace it with your favorite one. I have some potatoes left, so I'm doing another final layer of potatoes, and then I'll go ahead and add some mixed cheese on top. And while I'm doing that, please comment below and tell me, how do you celebrate Thanksgiving? If you prefer mashed potatoes or baked potatoes, or if you do turkey or no turkey. Do you have big gatherings or just prefer to be just family and some relaxing time? Please comment below and share your thoughts. All right, and then I got that all sorted. I'll go ahead and add the cheese. Some more cheese. I told you I love cheese. I'm gonna really cheese it up. That looks beautiful. We'll go ahead and add the main ingredient. This is what makes it very, very creamy and gives it a nice buttery taste. So I'll go ahead and add a good amount of the half and half. This is what the potatoes actually cook in. So we'll add a good amount of that to it. Looks perfectly delicious. We'll go ahead and cover that, and that is ready to go in the oven. We will cook it for about 25 to 30 minutes before we check it. But your cooking time will depend on what kind of potatoes you're using. So make sure you use a toothpick to poke and test, and until the potatoes feel done, that you can take it out and serve. There you have it. Perfectly baked potatoes to go with your Thanksgiving meal. Comment below and let me know how you like this recipe, and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you for watching and have a good day.